guys, and welcome back to my channel, Inside Out Triangle, where we think outside the box. My name is Teray, and this is Struggle Meal September, meaning that I'm going to be making struggle meals every day and post the video every day during the entire month of September. Now, today's recipe is going to be spaghetti.
It's spaghetti!
Quick, fast, easy, but with a few different ingredients, as you can see. And speaking of ingredients, let me tell you what you'll need. You're going to need some sausage or hamburger meat or a mixture of both. You'll need some minced garlic, some butter, salt, diced tomatoes, and then because my theme is thinking inside the box, I always try to think, I said inside the box and it's my own channel. Error. Guys, it's after work. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm ready to make this video and eat. So please forgive me. We're thinking outside the box. So you can grab yourself, some spaghetti sauce and some angel hair pasta and make this exact same recipe. Again, this is going to be quick, fast, and easy. Or you could use different ingredients. I picked up some Kraft Spaghetti Classics. It has everything you need in here except for the tomato paste. Or instead of angel hair pasta or regular spaghetti, you can use pastaroni. It costs $1. It really does. Even at Walmart, maybe $1.25 at this point. So what I'm going to do is a mixture of both. I'm going to use the seasoning mix that's in here, and then I'm going to use the pastaroni that's in here. But again, you don't need these ingredients. You can alter them. You can just use spaghetti sauce, just your regular pasta, quick, fast, and in a hurry. I've already got the pot boiling on the stove. I'm going to go ahead and put the pastaroni in. And then today's video, again, is going to be quick, fast, and in a hurry because I'm hungry. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. I'm not actually going to talk. I might play a little music, and then we'll go ahead and see the finished product. So thanks for joining me, guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, this is Struggle Meal September. One video every day during the month of September. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. Here is the finished product. Quick, easy spaghetti. You can make it for one person or make it for a lot of people. I do want to add that I would usually add cheddar cheese to the top of this to make it all complete for me. However, the Kraft did come with some grated Parmesan cheese, so we're going to add that to the top. While I'm doing that, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, this was just an easy peasy recipe. Doesn't take very long. You can use some unique ingredients, or you can use the old standby. But whatever it is warm, it's hot, it's meaty, it's cheesy, it's delicious. Let me give you your bite. And here is my bite. Okay, it's hot. You can't go wrong with spaghetti as your dish. Salty, meaty, cheesy. And I'm realizing those are becoming my favorite ingredients. Quick and easy. available for one person or quite a few people. Please remember that these are difficult times with COVID and gas prices and food prices. So guys, please take care of yourself and one another. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Bye.